So Chainlink has finally exploded in price, something that we predicted a while ago. All the way here on October the 2nd was our video created for Chainlink, looking for the price to do just that, to go higher. And as you can see, not only did price go up in Chainlink, it also broke outside of that massive trading channel that has been trading ever since 2022. That's a good indication, because obviously now the market is becoming more bullish than it is just merely traded within the trading channel. So could we actually see the price in Chainlink run up to $20? Currently, price is at $10.20. That could double your money. For us to see the price in Chainlink run up to $20. Could it happen? If so, how long would it take? Because you guys can see that we've been in this trading channel for about a year now. So all of this built up energy could now be ready for the massive move higher in Chainlink. Let's look at this on a different chart. But first, let me go and give you this price prediction here in Chainlink. Pretty good prediction, 19.2% was hit in the market over the last 2 days. All right. So now let's cut this area out the way. Since we have now noticed that price in Chainlink is breaking outside of the trading channel, there's no need for us to keep this on our charts then, right? There's no need for us to hold those two trend lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to transform the market in Chainlink and show you the trend. Now we're trending into the market in Chainlink. This market is bullish now. Okay. Bad thing, it's all the way up here at $10.21. The market can still come all the way down to this trend line and test it and then continue to go higher. So we can see the market fall in Chainlink 25%, and people would think that this is another bear market, when in actuality the market is just coming back in line with the current ascending trend. That's it. So the entry also is a issue into the market of how you can profit from price moves, where you get in at. If you're getting in around $10.20, you see the market run down 25%, you're like, oh yeah, this is ridiculous, the market is crashing in Chainlink. But it's really not. It's just coming back in line with its natural trading abilities. This is what a breakout looks like. In a very short period of time, the market in Chainlink went from a low of $7.21 to a high of $11.05. 53% move higher. That's a breakout. So in terms of a breakout, this is where you want to relax. The market will come back down. You won't miss the next ship coming in. It will come back. And that's why we're going to keep in line with this trend line, this resistance area. When Chainlink was trading in that trading channel, this line right here was acting as resistance, $9.50. Now it needs to act as support. Okay. Here it is, Chainlink on the weekly time frame. Look at that weekly bar there. Got that strength, pushed to go up, letting us know that the market is bullish. 2 weeks, same thing. This market here in Chainlink is definitely bullish, no doubt about it. The weekly chart, the 2 weekly chart, they're both giving us indications of strength. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay. So right now the market is getting plagued on the low of this 3 weekly price bar. It's not a coincidence that the market in Chainlink currently is getting hit with selling pressure. We haven't seen Chainlink's price hit this particular level, $11.20, since February 14, 2022. So well over a year. We haven't seen Chainlink move to this price. So those people who bought Chainlink here are finally seeing their market come up to where they at least are comfortable with taking a minimal loss, or at least minimal profit. So the current buyers in the market of Chainlink has to get through those sellers at this price, $11.20. They have to. But yeah, definitely strength is in line with the market. Okay, so let me look at this on the hourly chart. You guys can see even better on the 7-hour chart of the trend that's currently in place in Chainlink. Now, I don't suspect that that's going to last too much longer. The market will eventually come back down. Click this on the 5. Okay, you guys can see already where it's beginning, those sellers hitting the market in Chainlink. We saw the massive move higher on this 5-hour price bar, but then immediately the next one we come right back down. So yes, we're currently seeing some selling pressure hitting the market in Chainlink right now. Okay. So what I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to chill out. I'm going to let the market and Chainlink come down a little bit. These two areas is where I'm going to look out for those buyers. First area is 950. So I'm looking for Chainlink to come down here and hold 950. If it does that, then this is the entry point to come in and look for the market to continue to ride higher. But if they don't hold 950, then my next area would be $8.95, $8.85 to continue to see the price do this. I don't want to see the market come all the way down to this trend line though, because that would definitely tell me that this massive move higher over the last couple of trading days with all this volume was mostly people selling and not buying. If we see the market in Chainlink come down quickly down here to this ascending line, okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. I'm going to chill out currently to let this selling continue to hit the market, see how low it's going to go. Then I could come back in the next day or so and do another price prediction if the market is still bullish. If it's not, then we have to anticipate that the market's going to continue to go down in Chainlink. Now again, we don't want it to see it break that trend line though to the downside. Okay, so let me bring this down just a little bit. And I'll leave it just like this, okay? So we'll see what happens over the next day or so to see how the market holds up with this selling that's currently in the market in Chainlink. Give me your thoughts though. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.